The first.
All right, Cameron.
Okay.
Cameron is about to grab this little shocker box.
Yes.
This is an old water heater,
Yeah.
and
His grandfather's has it.
No, I'm gonna touch his
here's-
hand, so maybe it shocks me.
yeah. All right, you're not quick enough. All right, put your finger in it. You got to grab onto
Here,
it.
don't do
Grab
it.
this.
At
I'll
least
hold
tell
this.
me when.
Okay.
Okay.
Just don't do it.
I'll hold this. You just push it in there.
It doesn't do anything.
That's because it went through you into me. Now I'm trying.
No, do it again.
Oh, it's just...
It's not that.
You want to try?
It did go through him to me. That was weird.
Jen, you want to try it?
I promise.
Here, I'll do it.
Like nothing.
It's just scary.
It doesn't look good.
No,
Is it even zapping you?
scary.
Yeah, it zaps
It
you.
barely makes
adding
But the first one is scary because
Yeah.
Come on. Jaden. 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 The cat. Did you see the cat?
Yeah.
Mom does it first. If
All
I
right.
do it, then you do it?
Yeah.
All right, go.
I thought it was gonna shock
Okay.
me.
Okay.
Here goes Sabrina.
I'll do it.
It's nothing.
No, you go first.
Jaden, if you don't die, then I'll try.
Look, I
All
swear,
right, here you
it's
go.
literally.
Here we go.
What? What
Take
if I
it.
have some reaction?
Just you won't.
Shit, I'm
It
not
didn't even
doing
go.
it.
You didn't get it.
What? Not do
What?
it.
Here,
Dude, it's not bad.
dude, Sabrina. All right, Jane, you're up.
Try it.
I did
Mom,
it.
it's not bad.
Here, give me your finger.
No, you did it.
Sabrina, you know I wouldn't
Sabrina,
tell you to
just
do
do
something
it.
crazy.
Come on. Here.
It's not
All right.
even bad.
All right, go.
Do it.
All right, Opa.
I thought we
Oh, yeah, Opa.
You know,
I swear,
All
it's
right,
not bad at
have
all.
Opa try it.
Here, I'll push it.
Yeah. All right, here
You
we go.
do it. Put your finger on there.
It's not bad, I promise.
Make sure it's in
Right
there,
there.
because Opa's
You gotta push it kind of hard.
Opa's known to cheat.
Come on.
Oh.
Come on. It's
It's
not
not
bad.
bad.
Right.
It's not bad at all. Just push it on there.
See, it's not bad.
Did it get you? Yeah. Try it again.
Yeah.
It's not bad after you know it.
Push it real hard. You ready? You sure? It's good. Do it.
All right, all right.
It's not bad.
Yeah,
Scott's
wait,
turn.
wait. We gotta get
This is the
Sabrina.
photographer's
Sabrina.
turn.
Sabrina, I did it
Sabrina.
twice. I did it twice.
Here, come on, baby. I'll push it.
Come on,
Come on.
No, I.
Let's go, mama.
I did it twice.
Come on, mama.
Okay, I'll do
Just
it
grab
with
it.
them.
All right.
I didn't do it.
Yeah,
Jaden,
you
give
had
me the
it
finger.
now.
Come on,
Give me
Jade.
that finger,
Jade,
son.
you're up. You're up, Jaden. You're up.
Okay,
Here, he's ready. He's ready.
All right, come on.
I'll do it with you.
No,
Push it.
it'll shock you.
Okay.
Oh, it got me, not you.
Wait, do it.
That is so crazy.
Do it again.
Here, put your finger on there. You gotta hold this too.
No.
No, it,
Put your finger in there.
it just feels weird. Like a little.
That hurts.
Put your finger in there.
Why would he do it again? He's
Push
gonna
it.
hurt.
Push it hard. Because he's not touching the metal. Push it in there hard.
It's in there.
You know I don't like.
It's just absolute.
You all right?
No.
Uh-oh.
Wait, Scott, have you
I'm not doing it.